Before attempting to connect the undermount to your tractor, ensure that you have a large, level area free of any obstructions with minimum of 6 feet in either direction of your tractor, such as a driveway, parking lot, or large shop. Once you believe you have a sufficient area, begin to slowly drive the tractor parallel over top of the drawbar, keeping the quick attach plate as center with the parallel linkage of your tractor's front end as possible, stopping roughly 1.5 feet in front of the plate's hooks. Exit the cab and on the right side of the tractor, kneel down and begin to lift the hydraulic controller upwards, keeping the controller as close to the tractor to ensure you're taking the most direct route. Place the controller on top of the hydraulic mount and pull the lever downwards, locking it into place. Begin to raise the parallel linkage upwards until the linkage pin is in line with the plate's hooks. Once in line, begin to inch forward with your tractor, locking the plate into place. Once the parallel linkage has been fitted to the quick attach plate, begin to exit the cab and insert the lock pin at the front end. Ensure that no hoses are kinked or dragging before entering the cab again. Move the hydraulic lever to raise the blade. This will raise the drawbar and latch the rear mounting bracket. Latch the bracket by moving the lever to lock it in place. Once you believe the hydraulics are operating efficient, you can begin to head out. Begin by raising the blade 1 foot off the ground. Exit the cab and begin turning the mount latch on the parallel linkage clockwise, disconnecting the drawbar from the tractor. Enter the cab and lower the parallel linkage, removing the weight of the blade off the undermount. As the parallel linkage is lowered, the drawbar will disengage from the tractor. Exit the cab and remove the lock pin at the front and re-enter the cab. Begin to inch backwards 1.5 feet, disconnecting the parallel linkage from the quick attach plate hooks. Next, exit the cab on the right side of the tractor and begin to dismount the hydraulic controller by lifting the latch upwards and lifting the controller up and placing it on the ground close to the drawbar as possible to ensure no damage to your controller. Once the drawbar is resting on the ground, re-enter the cab and begin to back away slowly. It's important to remember to keep your tires parallel with the drawbar to ensure you don't damage your bar or hydraulic controller. Once clear of the undermount, you can begin to head out to your next job.